In this tutorial, you will learn the basics of vCDM. No prerequisites are needed. This video is intended for calibration engineers. First, let's have a look at a typical calibration project. There's a first version of the software with a calibration variant based on an EU model. We already have different revisions based on changes in the calibration. Another revision with calibration changes is now available. Additionally, there's now a new variant based on a US model. The EU model has been used as the basis for this new model. The next step is a change of software for all variants. In the overview, you already see two new software versions. Furthermore, there's a new variant for CN model. Within vCDM Center, the combination of calibration variants, ECU software and revisions are contained in a project. The combination of a calibration variant and ECU software are represented as a dataset. Here you can see the process in vCDM. First, you create and configure the project. Afterwards, create your first initial dataset. Then start to calibrate via Canapé or vCDM Studio. Parameter set files are imported directly into vCDM Center or via an interface from either Canapé or vCDM Studio. To generate a new and updated text file, please use the freeze. Afterwards, it is possible to create a new version via Create Revision or update the software with Change Software. vCDM enables the calibration department to track every change in calibrations across software versions and dataset revisions. You can detect and resolve data conflicts early on. vCDM helps you to foster efficient collaborations with business partners and across global teams. Powertrain, chassis, ADAS, and adaptive architectures all supported in one solution. Modern cloud-based software-as-a-service architecture enables rapid deployment. If you do not already have access to an existing vCDM system, please contact Vector for more information. We are happy to provide an evaluation, installation, and support you during the first steps in vCDM. Or just log in and start to set up your first project. Please also watch the tutorial How to set up a calibration project.